How to fix your phone date is inaccurate on WhatsApp. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel WebWiz. Today we're gonna learn how to fix your phone if your date is inaccurate on WhatsApp. So watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So as you can see, I'm trying to open my WhatsApp and I have this message. Date is inaccurate. Your device date must to adjust your clock and try again, okay? So my device date and time is this one that you are seeing here in my country, and I must to click just in adjust date. So this is gonna open the settings on my phone, specifically the date and time. If perhaps this is not working on you, you must to go into your settings, and here in the search bar you're gonna write date and time, and there is the second option here in my case, and you must enable the network provided time and the network provided time zone. In that case, this is gonna be adjusted automatically. Then open all your settings and your WhatsApp again, and if you try to open it again, then you're gonna have your chats and you're gonna be able to use your WhatsApp. That's simple, right? So remember, settings, the search bar, date and time, and enable those options. I'm not really sure why perhaps you have deactivated this, but I really recommend you to activate these two options always to have them active, because probably all your cell phone is not going to be working. So also your browser or perhaps some other apps like YouTube, Gmail, you are not going to be able to open those apps as usual. Perhaps just your camera and kinda some apps within your phone. I mean, that doesn't need any network or some internet. And that's it. That's how you can fix your phone date is inaccurate on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.